how to start selling on eBay. Okay, and first we go to eBay website with the website name ebay.com. First step, we will register a sale account. Use click here, sign up for eBay account. And here we can choose one of two ways to register. Register as an individual and or register as a business. Register by business, we also fill in information such as business name, email address, and where this business is located. Here, I will register as an individual. It's simple. To register as an individual, we will fill in the following information. Fill in personal information such as name, emails, passwords. Or we can also use Google, Facebook accounts to register. After successful registrations, we come to the next step, which is to post the product we want to sell. Click on sell and find the name of a product that we want to sell. Research a product we intend to sell. Know how to calculate the cost of profit. The criteria for evaluating potential product. Here there are many categories for you to choose. You can search for the product you want to market, or you can type in the search bar. It's very many categories. Yes. Okay, you can search on the bar. Here, for example, I want to find a laptop product. Yes, I will enter laptop product. Okay, laptop. And after entering, it will display a list of laptop related products. We will select a product that we want to sell, and we have to select the product we want to market. Okay, I will choose this laptop. Okay, I will use this product. Okay, so then we will fill in the necessary information such as title, write something, subtitle, conditions, news or inbox, order, and additional photo. Additional item specific and item description. Write information about the product so that user can better understand the product information. Selling formats, durations, price, okay, next quantities, payment options. You can choose it. Okay, and next the sales tax. And finally, the delivery information such as domestic shipping, international shipping, package weight and dimensions, and the weight size for the product, item locations. And last, we double check all the information for accuracies. Yes, and after completing all the information, we will after completing all the information, we will click on list item. Either we can say the draft or choose the view mode. Okay, third, we have completed the basic step to start selling on eBay. Good luck.